Key features of the 2024 Formentor 5 include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, 5-star ANCAP safety rating, 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing 140 kilowatts of power, 7-speed automatic transmission with an all-wheel drive, spacious cabin with these high-end materials, 7.0 liters per 100 kilometers fuel efficiency with a 55-liter fuel tank, adaptive cruise control, digital cockpit display, sporty exterior design with bold accents. Engine. The 2024 Cupra Formentor comes equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, generating an impressive 140 kilowatts of power and 320 newton meters of torque. This powerful engine is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission and yet all-wheel drive, delivering smooth performance and excellent traction, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open road. Fuel efficiency, 7.0 liters per 100 kilometers with a 55-liter fuel tank. The 2024 Cupra Formentor comes equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, generating an impressive 140 kilowatts of power and 320 newton meters of torque. This powerful engine is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, delivering smooth performance and excellent traction, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open road. Interior. The 2024 Cupra Formentor offers a premium interior that comfortably seats 5 passengers. It boasts seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing a modern, tech-forward experience. The cabin is spacious, designed with high-end materials, offering a luxurious and comfortable atmosphere for all passengers. With ample legroom and cutting-edge infotainment, the Formentor ensures a top-tier experience for both driver and passengers. Driving dynamics. The 2024 Cupra Formentor is praised for its impressive balance of performance and comfort. On Australian roads, it handles with precision, offering a smooth and controlled driving experience. The suspension absorbs bumps well, ensuring a comfortable ride. However, at highway speeds, the cabin can become slightly noisy, which is something to consider for long journeys. Overall, its dynamic driving capabilities make it a standout in its class. The 2024 Cupra Formentor also boasts a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, making it an excellent choice for families. With a combination of sporty dynamics and top-tier safety features, this mid-size SUV offers peace of mind for those looking for both performance and protection on the road.